Hi guys, today I'm gonna react to some old EAS alarms. So let's start. Scare my fucking shit. Cause it's our Polish EAS alarm from What is this? What is that fucking shit? Ah! The flag is gone. There's no god. Where'd the flag go? Okay, what's that? 1939. What is this? The Salomon Iceland has a watermark. You have a shit in me. What is this? This mug. I made my first yes alarm mug, which is a Rome yes alarm. Okay, let's continue. What is this? Saudi Arabia yes alarm from 1924. What the hell is this? This is creepy. This alarm. This alarm. That was kind of creepy. I don't want to go to sleep and put that alarm. I hate this alarm. There's no god. Okay, Soviet Union. Oh, yo, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh god, holy shit. What is that? What is that? It's kind of creepy. It's the Soviet Union yes alarm for 1987. Oh, sorry. Oh, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. What is that? Okay, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh my god, this one of the Japanese alarm from 1945 is scary. Sounds like whatever that animal is. Wait, Saudi Arabian. That's alarm from 1991. It's kind of creepy. No, but it's what I have to learn for this Why is the flag so small? The flag's so small. Okay, so small. Yo, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Okay, the other one of Japanese alarm from 1945. Why is it so sad? I hate sad yes alarms. Suicide mouse. Suicide mouse. Suicide mouse. That's the music of the ending of Suicide Mouse. That is South Korea EAS alarm or 1950. Oh my god. No! No! Soviet Union! Germany EAS alarm for 1945. This alarm, this play when the Soviets invaded Berlin at the Battle of Berlin. pastas, kinda. Watch EAS Alarms from 1948. I want to be Nordic. Got 4 EAS Alarms from 1988. Muck. Oh, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Okay? Bangladesh EAS Alarms from Okay, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh my goodness, holy shit. Okay, Masamike EAS Alarms from 1923. What is that music? Sounds calming. I can call my iTunes. Calming EAS Alarm from Mozambique. What's kind of creepy, this alarm? Oh shit. Maybe it's What about? No. Oh shit at me! I don't want to see this anymore. These guys are creepy! Creepy pasta. And what? I hate financial friends. I hate that. It's kind of creepy. Croatia is a war from 1996. What the hell is this alarm so short? Why 8 minutes? That's all? That's all of that alarm? Oh shit. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Mexico. Whatever. Tunisia. No. What about EAS Alarms? No shit. None of your business. Okay? Okay, here we go. Marisha EAS Alarm for 1942. Oh my god! I hear the suicide mouse screams. I hear the suicide mouse screams of a siren. Do you guys know suicide mouse? First creepy bastard thing. Okay, Brazil is... No! 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 Why did you do that? What is this? Okay, the EAS Alarms Alarm for 2002. What is this? What is this? Indonesia EAS Alarm from 1950. Like. Now the English EAS Alarm for 1950. This alarm is all destroyed for Oh, I closed it. That alarm, kind of. What? Okay, Mexico EAS Alarm for 1915. What? Sounds like. What you did copy the South Korea EAS Alarm. This guy's creepy. Oh shit. Oh! Okay. Okay. Shit. Rice. Okay, Malta EAS Alarm from 1940. 43. I hate that one. It's creepy. What is this alarm? I hate this alarm. It's true. What is it? This puts you turning off the creepy videos? What the fuck? It says in English. This puts your presentation options closed. There's no God. There's no God to change my words into the vomit. That was kind of creepy. I hit the alarm. It's so big. You know what? I think I'm down here. Not only is this. Okay, that's all for today.